हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सभी वीडियो मेरा देख चुके होंगे अभी तक। और आज मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ एक बहुत खूबसूरत मूर्तियाँ। सचिन तेंदुलकर, जिनके बारे में हम कॉलेज में लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनर करके एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ चुके हैं इंग्लिश पुस्तक से। सो सचिन तेंदुलकर एक लीजेंड पर्सन है इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम पे। तो आज उनका एक मूर्ति बनाने जा रहा हूँ। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए मेरा चैनल को और बेल आइकन भी दबा दीजिए, जैसे कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप देख सकते हैं। और कमेंट भी दे दीजिए वीडियो में अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो। दोस्तों थैंक यू, धन्यवाद। Okay, so Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, a statue, 3D statue, just I made it. From top position to the nose position, already seen accurate with eye, and the lips and something flattened, and the dental portion of the face seen big size. It may be changed later. Then my working is in process. So now I am talking something, some stories about Sachin sir. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born 24 April 1973. Is an Indian former international cricketer who served as captain of the Indian national team. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. He is the highest run scorer of all time in international cricket and the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international, the holder of the record for the most runs in both Test and ODI crickets, and only players to complete more than 30,000 runs in international crickets. In 2013, he was the only Indian cricketers included in all-time Test World XI named to mark the 150th anniversary of Wisden Cricketers Almanac. He is affectionately known as Little Master or Master Blaster also. So Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is a brilliant cricketer. From childhood he practiced his work. Tendulkar took up cricket at the age of 11, made his Test debut on 15 November 1989 against Pakistan in Karachi at the age of 16 only, and went on to represent Mumbai domestically and India internationally for close to 24 years. In 2002, halfway through his career, Wisden Cricketers Almanac ranked him the second greatest Test batsman of all time behind Don Bradman, and the second greatest ODI batsman of all time behind Viv Richard. Later in his career, Tendulkar was a part of the Indian team that won the 2011 World Cup, his first win in 6 World Cup appearances for India. He had previously been named player of the tournament at the 2003 edition of the tournaments held in South Africa. Tendulkar received the Arjun Award in 1994 for his outstanding sporting achievement, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997, India's highest sporting honor, and the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan Award in 1999 and 2008 respectively. India's fourth and second highest civilian award after a few hours of his final match on 16 November 2013. The Prime Minister's office announced the decision to award him the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. He is the youngest recipient to date and the first ever sportsperson to receive the award. He also won the 2010 Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for Cricketers of the Year at the ICC Award in 2012. Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Parliament of India. He was also the first sportsperson and the first person without an aviation background to be awarded the honorary ranks of Group Captain by the Indian Air Force in 2012. He was named an honorary member of the Order of the Australia also. So in 2010, Time magazine includes Sachin in its annual Time 100 list as one of the most influential people in the world. In December 2012, Tendulkar announced his retirement from ODI. He retired from 2020 cricket in October 2013 and subsequently retired from all forms of cricket on 16 November 2013 after playing his 200 test match against the West Indies in Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium. Tendulkar played 664 international cricket matches in total, scoring 34,357 runs. So he is the brilliant cricketer, and just we study about him in our books, in English books in 12th classes. The long distance runner, a subject in English books about him, and just we identify about his career. So I talking a small little bit story about Tendulkar sir. Now maximum portion of the faces I made accurately. I think what the observation from these photos, I just take a good pickup for making a good face about Sachin Tendulkar. So this is now final. So my dear friends, if you like my friends, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.